In 2011, brothers Brian and Brad Dalinghaus embarked on a journey that would redefine craftsmanship and reliability in Southern California's construction industry. With a combined 25 years of experience spanning the Midwest to the West Coast, they founded Dalinghaus Construction with a focus on home remodeling and real estate investments.
Hi, I'm Brian Dalinghaus. Growing up on a family farm in Kansas instilled me in a deep appreciation for hard work and craftsmanship. After years in the foundation repair industry, I knew we could offer more, something more, ensuring that quality homes that stand the test of time.
Their dedication to excellence quickly gained recognition, spreading through word of mouth from satisfied homeowners and industry professionals alike. Leading engineers, architects, and real estate experts began referring Dalinghaus Construction for their unparalleled workmanship and reliable project management.
So I've been in the construction industry since I was 16 years old. It started out with doing roofing, and then we slowly turned into remodeling, and from there we started buying and flipping homes. After doing many remodels and many house flips, we saw the need for foundation repair out here in California, and that's when Dalinghaus Construction evolved into the company it is today and took on the foundation repair sector.
By 2015, Dalinghaus Construction had expanded its services to include comprehensive foundation repairs, fueling significant growth in the commercial sector. With over 30 years of combined experience in Southern California, our team is equipped to handle any project, whether it's stabilizing a foundation, remodeling a home, or perfecting a kitchen or bathroom.
At Dalinghaus Construction, we're not just about construction. We're about building lasting relationships. From finance management to HR, our focus is on ensuring each project meets our high standards of excellence and client satisfaction.
From San Clemente to Las Vegas and beyond, Dalinghaus Construction serves communities across California, Nevada, and Arizona. Whether you're in Newport Beach, Phoenix, or anywhere in between, our commitment to quality craftsmanship remains unwavering.
Your home is more than a building. It's your sanctuary and your investment. At Dalinghaus Construction, we promise to never settle for anything less than the best. We're here to empower you with knowledge and support, ensuring your home stands strong for years to come.
Dalinghaus Construction, building futures, one project at a time.